In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert inline code into a table while working within WordPress. The process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. This is your first step in accessing the platform and setting the stage for editing your site. Once you have reached the WordPress homepage, focus on the top right corner of the page where you will notice a login option. Clicking on the login button allows you immediate access to your account and the WordPress dashboard. After you click on the login option, the next instruction is to select the option to continue with Google. When you click on continue with Google, you will be prompted to choose your account from a list, so choose the one that is associated with your WordPress website. This method offers a quick and secure way to sign in, and is especially useful if you frequently use your Google account for other services. After signing in, you should direct your attention to the quick links section within the dashboard. In this section, you will find an option labeled Edit Site. Selecting Edit Site will take you into the site editor, where you can take full control over the elements of your website. This is where you will make the desired changes to your table. Once you are in the site editor, locate your table block on the page. The table block is the element where you have or will insert inline code. Clicking on the table block will bring up its individual settings and options, allowing you to modify its content and style. With the table block selected, look towards the navigation bar at the top of the editor interface. In this navigation bar, you will notice a drop-down arrow. This arrow is designed to provide you with a range of additional options for editing the selected block. When you click on the drop-down arrow, a menu will appear that offers several configuration choices. Carefully scan through the options available in the drop-down menu for the inline code feature. Once you have found the inline code option among the choices in the navigation bar's drop-down menu, click on it. Activating this inline code option allows you to insert code directly into the elements of your table. This feature is particularly useful when you need to incorporate snippets of code that are meant to appear within text cells without affecting the formatting of the entire table. It is an efficient way to blend code examples with your content while maintaining readability and consistency in your design. Following these steps should enable you to easily integrate inline code into any table on your WordPress site. Using inline code within a table can enhance the clarity of your content, especially if you are using your site to display programming examples or other technical details. Each phase of the process is designed to be intuitive and accessible, even if you are new to the WordPress editing environment. By carefully following these instructions, you will have completed the task in just a few minutes, leaving you with a professional and well-organized table that effectively displays inline code. Enjoy the streamlined workflow and the flexibility that WordPress offers in managing your website content.